In this video, we're going to talk about when and how to invest in the growth of your law firm. Let's talk about the mistakes that law firm owners make when it comes to investing in the growth of their business. The first mistake is the timing, the wrong time for that investment. It's not the wrong investment for the firm, it's just the wrong time to do it. The second mistake is the wrong thing. Let's say I'm investing in people. Instead of hiring an attorney, I hire a paralegal. Instead of hiring a receptionist, I hire a file clerk. The third thing is the wrong person or the wrong company to do it. So I need to hire an attorney, but I hire attorney A when I needed to hire attorney B. Or I'm hiring a marketing agency and I hire agency A and agency B was the right solution. And I know what you're thinking. How do I avoid investing in the wrong thing at the wrong time? How do I avoid wasting my money when I finally made the choice to invest in my law firm? And what I found with our clients is to help them avoid a timing mistake, to make sure that they're investing in the right thing at the right time. We use the law firm growth formula and we identify where in the formula are they? Are they in the planning stage? Are they in the growth stage? Are they in the scale stage? Making sure that they know where they are will help them to make sure that they're investing in that stage and not in a different stage. The next mistake in investing that we identified was maybe you're hiring the wrong person or the wrong company to do it. So let's talk about a person first. How do you avoid hiring the wrong person in your law firm? It's very simple. In the book Traction by Gino Wickman, he identifies this idea when you're hiring somebody that they need to fit two things. They need to fit the right seat and they need to be a right fit for the organization. Right fit for the organization, identify your core values, match the core values to candidates coming in. If they don't match a minimum of two of the core values and preferably three, they're not a good fit for your organization. They will not work in any seat no matter how good they are at what they do. Now let's talk about the right seat. What we want to look for there is we want to look for skills and personality. Who are they going to be reporting to? Is there a personality match? Do they have the wherewithal to withstand the pressures of the job? And do they have the skill set required for the job? Let's stop right here. The biggest mistake law firm owners make is not subscribing to this YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you get every single tip that I release on making your law firm the most profitable enterprise ever. The other piece is when you're working with vendors. When you're working with vendors, this is where it can be scary because you're investing with them and you're hoping that they're going to get you to the end result. So how can you make sure that more times than not, you end up with the right vendor? It's very simple. Just like you would naturally do this, we actually just need to go through the motions of doing it, which is, what's their experience? Ask them about their experience. How long have they been doing this? How many clients have they worked with to do this? The second thing is, what's their track record? Can I talk to past clients and get testimonials? Can I have conversations with people who have worked with them to make sure that they're actually going to deliver on what they say they're going to do? And then the last thing is their work style. This is the piece that you kind of need to interview them for. And that is, do we work the same way? Am I a last minute person and they're very organized and would never be able to work with me? Am I super organized and they're kind of last minute? We would never connect. You really need to understand their work style to make sure that it's going to mesh with your work style and you're going to work together well. Let me close with this. Any investment carries risk. And no, this is not being monitored by the SEC. But we just talked about investing in your law firm, and I want to make sure you understand that we're going to take risks. And our job is to mitigate that risk. By watching this video, you've already mitigated the risk to some extent. If you want to further mitigate the risk, I invite you to check out our Law Firm Growth Elite Expansion Coaching Program. In that program, we work side by side with you to help you navigate every single one of these decisions and help you see things that maybe you're not seeing in that evaluation process. Check it out at profitwithlaw.com/elite.